And I think you are doing awesome work, John. Really, what you are doing is unbelievable. The number of episodes you've been recording is so constant, regular, and with different people. I think that it's a lot of work, and it's great what you are doing. So thanks for that. Well, I think what you are. I don't compare myself with what you are doing, because what you are doing is really amazing. You have been, the amount of value and the amount of podcasts you've been doing with, and you have been getting to all industries and all kind of leaders. So I think that anybody who is interested to learn should get into your channel, definitely. And I believe that it's a great value. It's a great way to learn and keep ourselves updated, and keep up with the trend and what's going on, and also meet different people with a different mindset. So I truly, for me, even people in my team, young people who are graduated, I really suggest and push them to getting learning online and getting to listening to podcasts like yours. I think it's a great value. And I think you are doing awesome work, John. Really, what you are doing is unbelievable. The number of episodes you've been recording is so constant, regular, and with different people. I think that it's a lot of work, and it's great what you are doing. So thanks for that.
Thank you, Samira, for a very inspiring comment. And I just want to share that this is not only my work, it's the team's work. And I really pass all this credit to my team. They put amazing passions, the content they do, they organize, the editing, and then put it together. And it says all the great work is for them. And I think what you just said, it's definitely will inspire them, and definitely they're going to see it. Thank you, Samira, for your great words, and thank you very much for being here too as well, and sharing your valuable thing about the marketings and branding, and really delighted to have you in the share too.